with an automatic transmission. This sport utility vehicle, with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This GMC features a sunroof, all-wheel drive, and tilt wheel. Safety features include traction control, OnStar, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include leather seats, memory seats, and heated seats. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.